In this video, we're going to talk about generating passive income through dividend stocks. We're going to talk about 3 high yield dividend stocks that can turn $12,000 into more than $16,000 by 2023. And we're going to do this by only investing in 3 different dividend paying stocks. It's a great way to generate passive income. And many people want to create passive income sources, but a lot of people don't necessarily know how to make money online. Well, if you have a little bit of cash, you can actually start purchasing dividend investment stocks with as little as $100. In fact, there's actually several different online brokers that you can use, like M1 Finance, Robinhood. There's several different online brokerages to purchase stocks through that you can invest in dividend income paying stocks, generating passive income, starting with very little money. Investors can increase their returns by looking for discounted stocks that generate lots and lots of passive income, which is a great way to start making money online. A great strategy for investors looking to buy stocks right now is to look for stocks trading at a discount and also look for stocks that pay a nice dividend. And when stocks are selling off, as they have been lately, their annual dividends tend to go up because while their dividends stay the same, the stock prices are lower. So this basically gives the investors a great opportunity to invest in stocks that pay out massive passive income, as well as offering these amazing discounts or amazing dividends at a discounted rate. So this also helps with the price appreciation of the stocks. So dividend stocks are really, really good. Also, if you guys are not familiar with the dividend aristocrats, we're definitely going to talk about the dividend aristocrats at length in future videos. But these are stocks that have a tremendous history of reliably paying dividends on time and also increasing the dividend over long periods of time. So the first dividend stock that we're going to talk about today for generating passive income is going to be AT&T. So AT&T, it's the largest mobile service provider in the world. AT&T, ticker symbol T, has had a strong year with shares up roughly 4% in 2022. Now, it might not sound like that much, but with the S&P 500 down 21.5% this year, AT&T is widely outperforming. So just to put this into perspective, the stock market, the S&P 500 is down 20%, 21.5%, almost 22%. But yet AT&T, which actually pays a very strong dividend at this time, is actually up 4%. So if we scroll down here, we can see this is actually a 1-year chart of AT&T. But if we scroll down here, we can see that the dividend here, the dividend yield on AT&T stock is 5.29%. So not only is AT&T up 4% for 2022, it's also paying a 5.29% dividend. So that's really, really good. And the next thing we're going to go on to is we're going to talk about Life Storage as a stock. So the Life Storage stock right now is $112.80 as of the recording of this video. Now, for a little bit of diversification, we talked about AT&T's dividend paying stock, which is more of a technology telecommunications company, but you have Life Storage. It's a real estate investment trust, ticker symbol LSI. And the cool thing about the REITs, or REIT, is that they must pay out 90% of their taxable income in annual dividends in order to maintain its special tax advantages of being a REIT. So this is really good to see if you're looking to generate passive income through dividend stocks or dividend paying stocks. And this is where you're going to see a lot of REITs with strong dividends. Life Storage operates 1,100 different self-storage facilities in 36 different states. And the self-storage is really good these days, and it's it's basically like it's looked at as being like a recession-proof type business because of how how big e-commerce businesses have become for the economy, which heavily relies on storage space. So whenever you're maybe ordering from a dropship company or any type of online business, a lot of times they store their products in remote locations, such as the storage facilities that LSI or Life Storage offers it. So a lot of times these online businesses, they ship directly from storage facilities like Life Storage. So Life Storage, they're able to continue to pay this dividend at 3.55% dividend yield, thanks to a lot of these businesses that will forever basically continue to rely on companies like this. Next company we're going to talk about is Citizens Financial Group, right? So Citizens Financial Group, let's go ahead and pull up that chart. So here we have Citizens Financial Group sitting at $37.03. And this stock is actually at the near the 52-week low of the last year, of the last 52 weeks. At $37, it's only roughly $2 and change above the 52-week low. This stock at one point was as high as $57. Now, with that being the case, right now, that has driven up the dividend of this stock to 4.21% dividend. So it's a great way to generate passive income. Now, you might be wondering, well, what the heck is this particular Citizens Financial Group, and what are they doing to be able to pay this 4.21% dividend? So this particular dividend paying stock it's basically one of the larger regional banks, and it spun off from the Royal Bank of Scotland. If you guys are familiar with that particular bank, it's now the NatWest Group as of 2014, and its management it's put a lot of work into improving the bank's core operations and is now starting to see a little bit of success. So basically, let's go into the details. Let's talk a little bit about the strategy of making more money, making passive income, ultimately turning the $12,000 investment into more than $16,000. So basically what you would do hypothetically, now of course none of this is considered financial advice. This is purely for entertainment purposes. This is a hypothetical situation. If you're looking for financial advice, definitely seek your professional financial advisor. I am not your personal financial advisor. But basically in this example, I would invest, say, $4,000 into each stock, right? So that's a total of $12,000 investment in total. And in 1 year, a $4,000 investment in AT&T stock would reap potentially $216 in passive income. Now, according to the Wall Street Journal, there's an average 12 months target price of $22.50. And that implies roughly a 12.5% upside from AT&T's roughly $20 share price, which would then be another $500. Now that's a total of $716 from AT&T in just 1 year. Now with a dividend yield of roughly 3.5 or 3.4%, a $4,000 investment into this particular dividend paying stock called Life Storage would result in $136 of annual passive income. Now analysts have an average 12-month target price of roughly $143. So that implies almost 35% upside from Life Storage's current share price, which means $1,400 in profit if the stock happens to reach the target price. So that's another $1,536 from Life Storage, right? Finally, then you've got Citizens, which would pay out $172 in passive income on a $4,000 investment into this dividend stock, which is paying a 4.3% yield. So the street has basically a rough estimate of $51 average 12-month target for Citizens. And so it's implying that about 42% upside is expected from the stock based on the current levels. And so this means a $4,000 investment would result in $1,680 if the price target is achieved, and roughly $1,850 combined with the passive income. Now, all three together, that adds up to roughly $4,100 return on your $12,000 investment, which would effectively turn your $12,000 investment into more than $16,000 in 1 year's time. So basically, I hope that you guys understood what I covered. If you had any trouble understanding the dividend concepts, how to generate this passive income through these dividend stocks, as well as their expected appreciation for these stocks, watch this video again from the beginning. I think that you guys could definitely find some great opportunities to generate passive income leveraging dividend paying stocks. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Drop a like for the video if you haven't already. Also consider checking out my other videos where I talk about other ways to generate passive income, whether it's through e-commerce, affiliate marketing, dividend paying stocks, Amazon FBA. We're all about making money here and making money smartly so that you can spend time with your family, maybe spend time on the beach more often, have that laptop lifestyle, and just literally have the freedom and financial flexibility to do what you want whenever you want. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care.